Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Royal Bank of Scotland customer service. So firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar. You need to type down Royal Bank of Scotland and enter it. And from here, you need to open to this Royal Bank of Scotland. And once you're inside this homepage, what you need to do is you need to open to this help and support in the top and go to the support center. So from here, we need to explore our support center. Click that. And over here, you can also find the support topics. If you find any relatable topics, what you need to do is you can also open it. And after that, you'll simply get this instruction here. You can open a frequently asked question from here and you can find instruction here. What you need to do is you need to follow the instruction. If you need more help, what you can do is go to this help and support again, go to the support center, and from here select contact us. And over here, scroll a bit down. Or if you have any issue with the mortgages, you can open it and you can call to this number. If you have issue with your home insurance, open it and call to this number. And that is it. That is how you can contact Royal Bank of Scotland. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.